concrete screws for affixing wood to a block wall, wood to concrete floor, metal, whatever you want to fasten, angles, steel angles, many different applications. These are probably the most used masonry anchor out there. You can get these in hex head and Phillips. I'm showing you Phillips head, Phillips flathead. Obviously, if you use a Phillips flathead, you can countersink these into the wood so that the head doesn't stick up if you have that type of application. But these are the most used masonry anchors on the market. So I have the standard drill bit for quarter inch diameter. You use a 3/16 inch diameter drill bit. And sometimes they do come with the Tapcons. And for a 3/16 diameter Tapcon, you use a 5/32 drill bit. And that's pretty standard throughout all the masonry screws. This is just a plain shank drill bit. You put it in a standard drill and you drill. Then I have here a drill bit that is for a hammer drill. This is an SDS Plus bit. This will cut your time in drilling in half, if not faster. So I have some blue tape here. I have the screw that I'm going to be screwing in. So I'm just going to set with this blue tape how far down into the concrete or block I'm going to be going into. I'm just going to make it so this goes a little further than what I need. You know, if you're putting material to the concrete, obviously, then you wouldn't go as far. You do halfway or something like that. So I'm just going to select that amount there, and I'm going to put my tape on there. So now I know where to stop. I know that I'm not going to drill more than I really need to. So I have all the different tools that I'm going to need here to install these masonry screws. These are hex head 1/4 inch. They're approximately about 2 1/4 inches long. And you're going to need a 3/16 bit, masonry bit, along with a Bosch Bulldog or another hammer drill that you may have for masonry would be great. This is one of the most well-known hammer drills out there. Also, you will need an impact driver. Or the impact driver is going to make the job easier, but if you have a regular battery drill, that'll work also. Must have safety, gloves, eyeglasses, something to protect your eyes from getting any debris in your eyes. So I'm going to start drilling this hole now. So let's go. So I finished installing this other front one. I have 2 more to install, but you get the picture of what to do here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share. And if you have any questions, send them in. We'll respond to you. Thanks for watching.